Hello friends, good morning. Today we are discussing about the syllabus of chemistry FYBSc in year 2020 and 21. So this syllabus is as per the credit system and having for this subject CH 101 physical chemistry is of 2 credits. 2 credits means what? We cover 36 lectures of 50 minutes in this semester, okay, and having 35 marks for university exam and 15 marks for internal examination or internal evaluation. So total marks are 50. Okay. Then we discuss about detailed syllabus of physical chemistry CH 101. Okay. So first chapter is chemical energetics. First chapter. Chemical energetics. This chapter have 11 lectures. Then second chapter, chemical equilibrium. Also have 11 lectures. Then ionic equilibrium, this is last chapter, and is of 14 lectures. So now we discuss each chapter having how much points are important and what are the points here. First point is thermodynamics. Then next one is the law of thermodynamics. Then next one, important principle and definitions. Important principle and definitions. The next one, standard state and standard enthalpies. Standard state and standard enthalpies. Then differential enthalpies of solution and dilutions. dilutions. Then next point is calculation of bond energy. Calculation of bond energy. Next one, bond dissociation energy. Bond dissociation energy and resonance energy. Resonance energy from thermochemical data. From thermochemical data. The next one, Kirchhoff's equation. Kirchhoff's equation. Then next one is third law of thermodynamics. Third law of thermodynamics. Then problems. This is last point. Problems. Okay. Now here you see these are some important topics in first chapter chemical energetics, and these all topics are covered in 11 lectures. So this is the first point, law of thermodynamics. So in this case we have discussed in detail first law, second law, third law, zeroth law of thermodynamics and its problems. Then next one, important principle of and definition of thermodynamics. Then here standard state and standard enthalpies, enthalpy of reactions, and different type of problems are we discussing in that point. Then next one, differential enthalpies of solution and dilutions. The next, calculation of bond energy. Then bond dissociation energy and resonance energy from thermodynamic data. The next one, Kirchhoff's equation, and last point is third law of thermodynamics, and here problems. So this is the syllabus of first chapter chemical energetics. Now chapter second, chemical equilibrium. Chemical equilibrium, having 11 lectures. So first introduction is there, free energy and equilibrium. The next one, the reaction of Gibbs energy. The next one is exergonic and endergonic reactions, perfect gas equation, equilibrium constant. The next, responses of equilibria to conditions. What are the conditions? Response to pressure, response to temperature, Van 't Hoff equation. Okay, all these are the responses for the condition. The next one, value of K at different temperatures, and last one is the problem. So all about this is the chemical equilibrium. Then last chapter, ionic equilibrium or ionic equilibria. This is one of the biggest chapter in the syllabus and having 14 lectures. Okay. So what are the first point? This is the strong moderate and weak electrolytes. These are the type of electrolytes, and you already discussed that point in 12th class, so you remember that point. Then degree of ionization, factors affecting degree of ionization. What are the factors which can affect the ionization? The next one, ionization constant and ionic product of water, ionization of weak acid and bases. So what are the conditions of ionization? Either that acid or base can be soluble or not, or ionize. What are the dissociation conditions? The next one, pH scale and common ion effect. So pH scale means what is the pH of your solution and how can it can affect. Okay. The next one, which is common ion effect. Common ion effect means what? That point also you can discuss in 12th class. Common ion effect means if we can add common ion into the solution, what are the effect on that solution? It can be discussed in detail in this chapter. The next one, salt hydrolysis. Salt hydrolysis. Then degree of hydrolysis and pH for different salts. So if we can hydrolyze any salt into the different solutions or desirable solution, at that time what is the pH of that salt? The next one, buffer solution. Buffer solution. After that, solubility product of sparingly soluble salt. Students, this is one of the very simplest topic, and having these points, solubility product and sparingly soluble salts. And last one, applications of solubility product and its principle and problems regarding this chapter. So this is all about syllabus of physical chemistry CH 101 for the semester first, and whole this syllabus is of how many credits? 2 credits. Okay, thank you.